Yamwakwaba, Sonkodo Badum TV, Badwam Kase, so Yadani Teko Teguase, Ninkran Sama, Jordan or Penso or Diamaye, and no pensa Mosi and a brasso, so Tibie, Sadum Kase, near to your Mubia, Betini, Canemon Penny, John Dramani Mahama, de a footone and Mendisim Peniforno, and Idiana Cacrebi, Nejuman de Denimu, and a son, yet a sansam nicho muno, Ebe bro, one affair Yakoyensan for Fronso and Muboko, Memen Dano and in the Quesia day. Menteme ho ase bia pagya ne mu ani panson ato na nanu wonsie do sawra ho sem wani nsem bi se fata se utie na no pay mede bro Adom TV kase Facebook/Adom TV kase ni twegu ho Go TV 176 channel Adom TV da na DSTV channel 280 medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de kwa so tie se de nsem ni kyeremu ankasa etie Kane Ghana Mampani John Dramani Mahama na ide afutuo na emma mpani foforo ya pa won so wonda NDC amanyuko no ano wose ye no kura ni gye de wo beje na mum wo mun susu efise adwuma no de wani mpa ne so Adom TV kase etoso.
Gentlemen and women here have been elected by the delegates to serve a mandate till 2026, and it's going to be a very important mandate because a most critical election with the highest stakes is due in 2024. And this executive is going to oversee that election.
Dwemtrani ya watu abama na foforo kra Johnson de sie dunketia enso ede abasobonsam ibi ekoma na afo a watu abama won so mumeda amanyeku na no na won toto nneoma se de beye nkunimdie bekoma won no wieye ene wo sa kire se won mu a nkunimdie ankwa ama won no madi ntwo no so won kan hunu se won nyina ka ho bi ene wo bebo amanyeku no asa gina ne naso na gina brani eno nti won nyina omrai na wonnimdie ne won zuye hunu wo no so won fa meboa na amanyeku na ni so ade hunu emrem.
We invite all other candidates who could not make it to the National Executive to consider that this victory is a victory for NDC and that their defeat is not a defeat in actual sense, but it's an indication that the party needs them to serve in other capacities.
Maminko Boko Ewapa East Region na rahosam na apagya ne mu wo ho ofise abusua mienu nte won ho asenti ene enipa benso ato na nanmo ewo nsie do eye kusasi ne mamprosifo na won mu kyeremu anano memenda December bosome ne de to sudunson no ena tututuo bi ekoso enipa num eto na nanmo ewo nsie do enu achi nso ena mienu aba beka ho nti ama nipa enam menteme ho asenti nipa nson ato na nanom nsie do
Amanibo echiremu a ne nam so emasa etututuo yi ekoso ewo kusasi ene mamprosifo ntem nyina agina se enra opanima abosome da neto sudunson afempinu ene edunu mienu mu osusu se wobi ekum akokora bi ewo natenga na nam sa etututuo ni mu ma enipa num ehwere won kwa omu se ne nam so emasa basabaso yi ehyase wo ekomienu ntem kwesiada opanima abosome da eto sudu wotwe die enya de se ababetu dwade na so nam so ma enipa mienu ahwere won ya sese wonu ma wahwere won kwano edodo no edru enson amanebo no kosoa echiremu a abrantewa bi a wanya mfie edunu ono so enye prekuru ahodo asesei wode no akoto quality medical center ewo garu ya pomuden adwumayefo ehwe no Upper East Mantemu Police Public Relations Officer ASP David Fianko ochire echiremu a police fo ahyase a woya science nimu enhwehwemu
droba ya wanya mfie aduonu enum asabi woye yarini didi de kwasi bedu dodo no afre ni chiko ede yaba beto dwa se be na wotwemienu ni ne yehwehwe no a ye nhunu no asemisi wo mankesim e wo mfimfim mantemu na wotwe wie ye won kwahwe a na je se be ma no yakum no kwa ma nipadua no epro ya kyekere no ansa na national kwa wo mogide afri ne nsem odansini ni Adom TV edi nkomoyi
na pwezu di ni na oman itrefrofu kampo kobi ko wa wetwe ho sia onyina wakan ye tina de page ni inde dalempo ya tin yenya ne tsede kal ni si yamuransa ya kware yanyi inspector ni ya fa ya bia ba ye de gembi ala no ya crime officer from phone de mo wa hin am ka chene the information do have found on the car is in my command, and not about. Remember, police headquarters or division. So, I'm calling you some of friend. No son, accident. No, who will try. No, son, I'm who try the way them can listen. It's a very true. No, see, uncle. Your cry, no, for boys, do the same. Now, the car, I don't know who be now was in a country. Now, I check it. Now, we couldn't down.
Manfo bi a wonom ete krofo ye owura yi a wahwere ne nkwa no ekurum ade tudwa se wonom wura ho pa na wode ato police fo anim se wonyere banbo mu ewo mankesim ene ne mpotem
ni na ye wura ho ye free police fo ni ya ma na ye wo ye krofo men pese da dansa de ni ewe ya mo bo ahi ya ye hwehwe bia enne mo mu 2 weeks oya na Friday ni ye sa ke ye ni chere we ku wa na to ansa de jedi police station mo one time ho baby oya so da bi ni ma sa ya ko hwe ye na chere ye nua ma ya ye ntumi ya na hwe mo mu chile ye hwe na ya pa na ado
Adom TV Badwam kase na oguso ehwa no de mo kwa apiate na ye sha afiase mu a January bosome de to so adu no ena rahosam kase pa bopini sa kure ni pa free mu me ha mani abedu ensia de won to na nanom nsia do nti aban ere hihye to ho so ye besi adam foforo e wo honom na ne kohwe se de epegya ne mu ehware so ampanifo si dan no se be ya dehie ebenya ba bi di won ti ato Adom kase eto so
kakra yebeka se yewo ebi ho no ye substructure no na se ye hwe so ababi o moduru no superstructure so ebi no ma start ye ho adwuma ni nyina no ejina eye bricks no a omu etwa no eno na eya na sometimes na short kakra into short a emma contractors ni bi ho no ma no mo ready senke bi omu betumi anya bricks no na omu so e de aye omu adwuma but eya na e de ho kakra ba da ni nyina no na e free transformer na ye nyaaye ni ntumi connect my electricity but for now no eno eye adwuma nti omu eye bricks no day and night nti ama omu increase production no nti ama adwuma omu ye de for now make say eye emu ho ne de ekofom basisi ade asanso page ne mu a ebeka se enye bad okra
na nakwabena ewusie pra head of internal affairs Talo Ghana Limited odin simbi to yamani boni anim
then oye stages says here you're building you the 4,000 bags of cement and your daba the yamfantua ni yamboa jumeza orokodo was says here and into area impeding bet to home and a mono wide and the water was like community no war community oshe in your YouTube into your far Pampado ye ni MCA Akasa in there to them all can and your man was in safe hands and we did there will be used to know Pampado to them in danger at the band or man at the man.
Presbytery one Presbyterian Church of Ghana ene won finhia oha womo edi adanyame asepa wo Blaster Square ne no sofopani oda no de tudwa kiremu se wo fro obi no abeyo odwam tenani aya ahwe adwuma wo yansa enchiremu ne Adom kase edi nkomoyi.
Beyond all these physical things, there are also intangible things that want to destroy Christianity. One of them is the power of greed. The power of greed. And sometimes this word greed is changed into so many different words. And nowadays we have society that hail only the rich. And people don't even care where they got the money from. They just hail them. I beg you, Christians, do not go and bring someone to share your harvest just because the person is rich. First find out how he got the money. First find out how she got the money. And I'm very serious about this. Because we are creating something in the conscience of people as if just being rich is the best thing to do in this world. No. To follow the Lord God Almighty is the best thing in this world. And if you prosper, you find that you use your prosperity to also bless other people.
So for penny kasa no akire no eno manpanyi adodanko akufu adoa ono eno no ye guest of honor ewo dwumadi na se edi tu dwa se sede edwedifo kuo guta ene omanfo dodo na edi wono ma no tumu bi se sanse Ghana cedi no enya ahoden egina ne naso nti edwedifo entete wono mo niama so no woni wono nyina eya adwene.
It is in view of this that I add my voice to those of Guta GRTCC and others to appeal to manufacturers, traders, and transport operators who at the height of the cedi's recent depreciation increased prices of goods and services to reduce their prices now that the cedi is regaining much of its strength. I believe this is not only a fair request, but also a just one.
Ghana Coalition of NGOs in Health, Womasa Shasie Biam Din, border no say was Ghana for teach you no one more one panier COVID panier obi bia nhwe so obebone de na wo so embusi yen so won san kwaji bi so nka ho a we won wa hyase wotema ene ne mpota mu fi se bronya busumi mu ani gie be hyiehia nom ne ade ne aboye ho ban free yade hu.
That Metro Health Directorate ano Dr. Salikoti ebo iku ya baso se wo decide nyame ababeye wonom adoye.
Since 2021 March and he started COVID-19 vaccination see woman ni aye ni ejai kakra ni aye ni ejai kakra so ade aye ekoso nti this time no say afini be wie no e pese ye yere ho na ye COVID-19 vaccination again ye nim say bronya bre say ye time obi anije ti ana ama ya complacent kakra ye nhwe ye ho ye so we back ya last year December na say COVID-19 na aba from kakra enya ye ni gie na ekọ weddings ye events akese nyina ye kọ ye and which in January aye hu ye 2022 January ye hu se na nkofo esi COVID-19 che wo mu ebe mu kura famu ehwe wo mu nkwa to this year so ye mpese sa asem no ebesi.